Today, we're making a chutney from something we usually throw away, the peel of a rich gourd. In many southern Indian homes, this is a quiet classic, simple, earthy, and deeply nourishing. This chutney is a reminder that good food doesn't have to be complicated. You just need to be a little creative. Let's begin. Carefully peel one rich gourd and keep the peels aside. Chop 2 tomatoes and some fresh coriander. Use the stalks too. They add a beautiful depth of flavor. Now for the cooking. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the groundnuts and roast them well till they turn golden. Next, add the dry red chilies, add the sesame seeds and toast them gently. These ingredients bring a lovely nuttiness and earthiness to the chutney. Now add the rich gourd peels and sauté them well. Add a small handful of rich gourd pieces too. Add all the chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Close the lid and let it cook. Give it a good 5 minutes. Open the lid and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Let it continue to cook gently. Now add half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Add the chopped coriander along with the stalks. Let everything cook together for another 5 minutes. Add salt, adjust it gently. Next goes in the tamarind water, just enough to balance the flavors. And now turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool completely. Once cooled, transfer it to a blender. Add a tablespoon of water and blend it coarsely, not too smooth. And your rich gourd peel chutney is ready. This chutney pairs beautifully with rotis and parathas, or simply with hot white rice and a spoon of ghee. A reminder that sometimes the most nourishing food comes from what we almost throw away.